Texans are known for being tough, independent people. However, when it comes to preparing for our end of life, even the toughest Texan can benefit from some help. It's common for people to be scared when considering issues like funeral costs and medical bills left behind. Not knowing the solution will make the passing of a loved one that much scarier. Final expense insurance is a popular way for Texans to ease the burden on their loved ones by ensuring that their final expenses are taken care of. In Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, the median cost of a funeral with a burial is $7,196. In Texas alone, the average funeral cost is close to $10,000. The NFDA also put out numbers that showed funeral costs have risen over 6% since 2017. This means they will likely continue to increase with each following year. If you're a Texan, it makes sense that you feel the need to look into final expense insurance to help alleviate the financial burden of our end-of-life expenses. A final expense insurance policy protects you and your family from the rising costs associated with a funeral. Final expense insurance is beneficial for many Texas residents. Outside of the general final expense benefits, it's important to look at the benefits as it relates to the location. Here are the top 4 reasons why Texans needs final expense insurance. Guaranteed approval. The leading cause of death in Texas is heart disease. However, most life insurance companies will deny you coverage if you have heart disease or other serious medical issues. Final expense insurance, on the other hand, will guarantee you coverage even with heart disease and other serious illnesses. And, once you've obtained a policy, your rate is locked in, so your premiums won't increase. Peace of mind. Many Texans may feel the financial burden left on their loved ones when they pass. A final expense policy will give you peace of mind knowing that expenses are taken care of, big or small. Your loved ones can use the final expense benefits for anything they need. Your loved ones can cover your entire funeral. This benefit is similar to offering peace of mind, but in cities like San Antonio or Fort Worth, the cost of a funeral starts at $7,000. With a simplified issue policy or a guaranteed issue policy, you can get benefits up to $35,000 and $25,000 respectively. That's more than enough to cover a funeral no matter which part of Texas you live in. No medical exam to be approved. Most life insurance policies will require you to take a medical exam, which determines what kind of policy you get. With final expense insurance in Texas, you don't need to take a medical exam. Approval is instant and you can even do it over the phone. Final Expense Direct is here to help you every step of the way.